Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for joining me today. And on today's video, we're going to be unboxing this month's Birchbox. I really want to open this box with you. I cannot wait to see what's inside. I have not picked any items. I don't know what's in this box, so really excited to see what they've curated for me. Also be sure to check out the end of this video. I am doing my very first giveaway, so I'll give you some details on how to enter to win that. There will also be the information on that in the description box below. So let's get to this box. Alright, let's break into the outer packaging here. Here is what our box looks like. It's very full. It's like the lid won't even sit on properly, so that's a really good sign. Okay. Right on top, there's a little paper here. This is probably going to tell me each and everything. Yeah, this tells me everything that I'm getting in the box this month. Alright, I love this color. Okay, let's see. Whoa, there's a lot of goodies in here, you guys. Let's see what we got. Okay, first we have a shampoo and conditioner. I have tried Love Beauty and Planet before. I have their lotion actually in this scent. I do like this scent. This lid was like almost off. Ooh, that could have been a nightmare. Okay, I don't really like getting shampoo and conditioner sets just because I'm a licensed cosmetologist and I can get like liters for wholesale price. So this really isn't like a huge like deal for me. But I'm sure a lot of people did like it that they received this because shampoo and conditioner can be expensive, especially like this Love Beauty and Planet. It is kind of expensive because it's like a natural one. Oh, it smells so good. This is the coconut water and a mimosa flower. So very cute. The next thing I'm going to go for right here is the Amika product. I know Amika because I know my hair care product stuff. And this is Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. So this is for your hair. Amika has a very distinct smell. Oops. Oh, rats. That's what I get for saying I didn't like this stuff. I like it, okay? I like it, I like it, I like it. Well, rats. Okay, next up we have this from Sunday Riley. This is a high dose retinoid serum. So these usually help with anti-aging. I'm not doing too good today. Okay. Alright, this says Juliet has a gun, not a perfume. I thought this was a perfume. I'm confused. It says not a perfume. This is a perfume sample. Oh, this is definitely a perfume. Why would they say... Why would it be a not a perfume? And last but not least, a Wander Beauty mascara. I actually love this product, so I'm very happy to get something that I am excited about. Wander Beauty has been a staple in a lot of the subscription boxes lately. It's more of a surprise if you don't get something from Wander Beauty, which I'm not upset about because I do like Wander Beauty. I like this mascara the best of all the products I've ever tried. I actually have it on today. I got it in a subscription box a few months ago and I was ready to use it, so I opened it up like 2 weeks ago and I love it. So definitely excited to have this. This is a thumbs up for me. So just to recap, I have the mascara, I have a shampoo and a conditioner from Beauty, Love and Planet. I have Juliet Has a Gun perfume, but it's not a perfume, but it is sample. I have Amika, the Moisture and Shine Cream. And last but not least, another thing I'm really excited about is the Sunday Riley Retinoid Serum. So I really am happy with the retinoid serum and the mascara this month. Alright, I want to focus your attention on this beautiful box right here. This is the giveaway box. This is a box full of items I have recently purchased or recently received in other beauty boxes. One of the things I have purchased is this mini Natasha Denona palette, also a little beauty sponge from Sephora, and there's some other really nice, beautiful things in here that I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys. So this beauty box giveaway is for my subscribers. If you are subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and email me at CandaceMarieGiveaway@gmail.com. Since this is only for subscribers, if you do like my content and you would like to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then you can go ahead and email me for a chance to win this beautiful box. All the rules are down in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me today while I unboxed this month's Birchbox. I really appreciate you spending time with me. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would love it so much if you would do that for me. And get entered into that giveaway because it ends at the end of this month. I will be picking a winner. And until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!